How to fix Android apps keeps running in the background. Hello everybody, if you're having that kind of issue and if you don't want any kind of applications running on your background, you may follow this process in order to do it. So for that, what you can do is you can access your device's settings, and then once you open up your settings, you may go ahead and scroll down and look for developer options. If this option is not turned on, you can head over about phone and turn it on. So once it is turned on, you can head over to developer options, and from developer options you need to scroll down, and you need to scroll down until you reach over to the section of background process limit, which is under apps. So just go ahead and look out for this and tap on it. Now what you can do is you can look out for background, which is usually set by default on standard limit. But if you don't want any kind of applications on your background running, you need to go ahead and select the option called no background processes. Or you can select at most one process, which means you can only use one app in the background. So you can go ahead and choose that, or up to 4 we have the maximum limit. You can go ahead and select that, and you can set up your background limit on your device. So that is how you basically fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.